I make bread so there's nothing left. Done in less than 10 minutes. For this recipe we will be cutting 2 loaves. I'm cutting here like this, about a finger thick, and then we're going to be removing that middle part, right? In this very easy and very practical way. I will now be adding 2 eggs. A teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of garlic powder. A teaspoon of black pepper. A spoonful of oregano. And we're going to hit it really well. And people are already commenting to me, "What city are you watching us from?" And I'll send a super special hug for every one of you who is commenting. I will now be slicing ham into cubes. Like this here. And folks, this recipe is wonderful. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. I will also add 100 grams of mozzarella. And mix all these ingredients very well. And today, I'm going to send a super special hug to Sophia from San Francisco, California. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. I will now be putting a spoonful of butter in the frying pan. And adding the buns. Adding our recipe inside the buns, right? Like this. In all of them. I will cover and let it cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's already cooked one side. I'll now be turning it over to roast the other side too. Just cover and leave for another 1 to 2 minutes. And our breads were ready, and they were super delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.